Hi! Today's Thrifty Dupe is an idea I got when I was at Walmart. So, as you see pictured here, there was this picture in their dollar spot, similar to Target's dollar spot. I don't know what Walmart calls theirs, but that's where I found it. And it was like this picture that had like a Sharpie design on it. And so I hauled this, I think, back in the summer. It was just a picture I picked up and I thought looked really cute. So now I have an idea for it. So let's get started. Okay, I have started by practicing before I start, and the design they had were like lines going up and down, just some like dashes. So I tried it out, not a huge fan, and then I tried my own little design, which this is the one I think I'm gonna go with like upside down V's and then some like loop-de-loops. I think that looks like a cute tree. Like that. So I think this is the design I'm gonna go with. I would highly suggest trying it out before you do it, because I was just gonna start doing this and then I thought, let's try first. Glad I did, and I would just recommend doing that too. So now that I know this is what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do several of them all the way around this little picture. So I'm noticing that I have some imperfections, obviously, but I think that's the charm of it, and I think that's what drew me to the one at Walmart, was that it looked hand-drawn, and I just loved it. So don't worry about any mistakes. It doesn't have to look perfect. I'm really liking this. Some other things that might be cute would be like snowflakes or candy canes. Those might be some fun hand-drawn ones. So here it is. This is how many trees I did and how it looks. I'm kind of pleased with it. I think it looks really cute. I noticed that the one I took a picture of had a green handle, and I don't know that if with a Sharpie that will look smooth and clean. So what I'm gonna do is use some washi and tape it up so that I can do like a stripe on it. I think that's what I want to try. So, ooh, wish me luck. All right, big reveal. Let's see if my idea panned out.
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't love it, but I also don't hate it. I think it adds a little something to it. And that was definitely a much straighter line than if I had just tried to freehand it, so that's gone. So there you have it. That was pretty simple. I really enjoyed doing it. It was a really quick project. If you wanted to seal it, you can get, what I read was Mod Podge Glossy Finish. And if you seal it with that, that should keep it from washing off if you're going to wash it over and over. This, I think, will probably just be like a display vase that I have out. I might seal it, but I mean, this is okay for me. But yeah, you can put flowers in it and whatever. I mean, you could do any ceramic. You could do some mugs for grandparents, have your kids decorate them, and then seal it with the Mod Podge Glossy Finish. But yeah, this project idea works for many things. So if you guys end up making your own, please post it and tag me. I'd love to see what you guys create. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.